Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Site Guru. In this video, I'm going to show you a boot up test between the Realme X and the Redmi K20 Pro. So recently, I did a charging test as well. Check the links in the description for the playlist which contain full videos of both the devices. So let me begin the test by pressing the power button at the same time in both the phones. So as you can see here. So the Redmi K20 Pro has Snapdragon 855 processor and 8 GB RAM variant, and whereas the Realme X has a Snapdragon 710 processor with 6 GB RAM variant. As you can see, the Redmi K20 Pro is very fast, and still the Realme X is loading the animation, as you can see here clearly. So here the clear winner is a Redmi K20 Pro in the boot up test. So that's it for this video. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries regarding both the phones, comment below. I'll be replying to you. So see you in the next video guys. Bye.